So I've ordered a Riggear case for Poco X2. Let's open it and see. There you go, branding on the case. Nice packaging, looks impressive. This is the bill. Thank you for shopping with us. Thank you, Riggear. And there you go, a carbon fiber case. This is a microfiber cloth bundled with it, and two camera skins for the protection of the camera lens. So this is the case. The sides are not, I would say it isn't a typical hard plastic, but I think it's a very good material. The carbon fiber feel is just awesome. There you see the Riggear branding inside also. I'll just try and focus at each and every corner and side so that you can just appreciate it better. The cutout for the power button and or the fingerprint scanner with the volume rockers. Let's take out the camera skins and the microfiber cloth. Let's see what's their quality is. Okay, branding on the microfiber cloth as well. The cloth is really good. The material used is also good. So now I'm going to share with you the photos and a small video at the end. Just go through it and you'll get an idea as to how well the case fits on the mobile. All the cutouts are exactly where they should be. And I had reviewed a rugged armor case in my previous video. Now talking about the pricing, this case is I got this case for at around 850, 890 rupees or something, and the rugged case was around 500 rupees, below 500 rupees I would say. So it depends. Talking about the protection, I feel in terms of protection, the rugged armor case is definitely should be your choice, because that gives you much more protection than this case. But in terms of in-hand feel, looks and all, I think this case definitely goes ahead of it. Also, we give a price. It costs more, but although I feel that this case from Riggear should be priced at around 500 rupees mark, or max to max 600 rupees, but still it's a good option you can give for your phone. And I think yes, I'm really impressed with this case, and I hope that this video is useful for you.